guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to get the sofa for free. So, first off, you cancel and move your camera. Then go to first person view and look at the sofa. Next, as you can see, you can paint it any color you like. So I like it red more. So nice. And also you can delete at the same time. So in this room, we're gonna show you how to make it extra. Diana! Oh, sorry about that. And next up, we're gonna look for extra beanbags. So I like to have a rocket ship. So let's go to a party and cancel that. And also type the barrier part, which is also kind of cool. So I'm gonna move backwards and do like this part to make the base. The secret base part looked like this. Then we're gonna put it right here on the move directions. And you wanna color it red. So you're gonna color it any color you like. So here's another barrier above this, and you might put it right there. It's like how you get the base done. Press paint and tap the color red. Press done, and there you go. That's how you make the second floor. And also you may jump because you need some extra. Then go to the front button. So I might go to the living room, which is kind of the stats of the tables. It also would use space forward, stack shelves, and also you're gonna get started by putting the above side. Also the file special, and we're gonna move it all the way around. Since it's in the wrong direction, I'm gonna go up. Ta-da! That's how you do it, and pause for a while.